video. Magaling tayo sa National Bookstore. Yan. Ano ito? Anong loob nito? Oh, story. Ang bata yan, guys. Just book. National Bookstore about ito guys is the A Thousand Splendid Sun. Ano kang pasahin to, di ba? Full of book. Yan. I love reading this. Yung natingin lang, hinuhulog pa. Comic yan, Hana. Then about something. Here you stop. Let's go. This is the badminton. A racket, guys. Yeah. Wow. Badminton. Like this thing. National Bookstore lang pala itong mabibili. Color palette sa arts. But I usually buy something this kind of stuff. And
ito yung pang shade, oh.
Yeah. Oh. Brush. Top. Bought something over here. The 20th century sketch king. National Bookstore have a glue. Glue. Stop. The Best Buy. Something over here. The black paint. I should buy this thing. Stop. And then this thing. That's all, guys. Bye.